Welcome to Touring Globe. Traveling from the USA to Maui, Hawaii, is an unforgettable experience filled with pristine beaches, lush rainforests, volcanic landscapes, and rich Hawaiian culture. Known as the Valley Isle, Maui is one of the most popular Hawaiian islands, offering a perfect blend of adventure, relaxation, and natural beauty. Whether you're seeking outdoor exploration, beach relaxation, or cultural experiences, this detailed guide will help you plan an incredible trip to Maui from the USA, covering everything from flights and the best time to visit, to top attractions, cultural tips, packing essentials, and much more. 1. Travel documentation and visa. For U.S. citizens, no passport or visa is required when traveling to Maui as it is part of the United States. If you're traveling domestically, a valid government-issued photo ID such as a driver's license or a real ID is sufficient for boarding your flight. However, if you're a foreign traveler, make sure your passport is valid and check the visa requirements for entering the United States. 2. Flights from the USA to Maui. Maui's main airport is Kahului Airport, Oahu, located on the northern side of the island. There are many direct and connecting flights from major U.S. cities to Maui, including from Los Angeles, San Francisco, Seattle, Denver, Chicago, and Phoenix. Airlines like Hawaiian Airlines, Alaska Airlines, United Airlines, American Airlines, and Delta operate routes to Maui. Direct flights from the U.S. West Coast to Maui take about 5-6 hours, while flights from the East Coast can take between 9-11 hours, often with a layover in Los Angeles or another major city. Flights during peak travel seasons, holidays, summer, tend to be more expensive, so booking early is advisable. 3. Best time to visit Maui. Maui boasts a tropical climate, making it a year-round destination. However, the best time to visit depends on your preferences. High season, December to April. This is the best time to visit Maui for whale watching, as humpback whales migrate to Hawaiian waters. The weather is cooler, but it's also peak tourist season, with higher prices and more crowded attractions. Low season, May to June and September to November. These months are ideal for visitors seeking fewer crowds and lower prices. The weather is warm and dry, perfect for beachgoers and outdoor activities. You'll also find better deals on accommodations and flights. Surfing season, winter months. For surfers, the winter months bring big waves to Maui's North Shore, particularly in areas like Honolulu Bay and Ho'okipa Beach. Beginners may prefer the calmer summer waves on the South Shore. Overall, if you're looking for the best balance between weather, prices, and crowds, the shoulder seasons, spring and fall, are the ideal times to visit. 4. Packing essentials. Maui's laid-back island vibe and tropical climate mean you can pack light, but it's important to bring the right essentials for your activities. Clothing. Light, breathable clothing such as shorts, t-shirts, and sundresses are ideal for Maui's warm weather. If you plan to hike or explore Haleakala National Park, bring layers as temperatures can drop significantly at higher altitudes. A rain jacket is also useful for trips to the lush, rainy areas of the island like Hana. Swimwear and beach gear. Maui's beaches are some of the best in the world, so don't forget to pack swimwear, flip-flops, a beach towel, and sunscreen. Reef-safe sunscreen is a must to protect Maui's coral reefs. Footwear. Comfortable walking shoes or hiking boots are essential for exploring Maui's trails, especially if you plan to hike the scenic paths of Haleakala National Park or the PPY Trail. Flip-flops or sandals are perfect for the beach and casual outings. Sun protection. Maui's sun can be intense, so pack sunscreen, reef-safe, sunglasses, a wide-brimmed hat, and a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated. Snorkeling gear. While many beaches offer rental gear, if you're an avid snorkeler, consider bringing your own mask and snorkel for exploring Maui's underwater world, especially in places like Molokini Crater or Honolulu Bay. Rain gear. If you're visiting the Hana Rainforest or planning on doing the road to Hana Drive, a light rain jacket is useful as the east side of the island is more prone to showers. 5. Top attractions in Maui. Maui is a diverse island with plenty of attractions, offering something for every type of traveler, from adventure seekers to those looking for relaxation. Here are some must-see places. Haleakala National Park. Haleakala, the world's largest dormant volcano, is a highlight of any Maui trip. You can hike through its otherworldly volcanic landscapes or witness the sunrise from the summit, which is a truly breathtaking experience. For adventure lovers, biking down the volcano after sunrise is a thrilling way to explore the park. Road to Hana. The famous Road to Hana is a winding drive along Maui's northeastern coast, offering stunning views of waterfalls, rainforests, and the ocean. Along the way, you'll find highlights like Twin Falls, the Hana lava tubes, Wailua Falls, and the 7 sacred pools, Ohio Gulch. The road is filled with scenic spots and hidden gems, so it's best to take your time and explore. Maui's beaches. Some of the world's best beaches are found on Maui. Ka'anapali Beach is perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and lounging, while Wailea Beach is a favorite among luxury travelers. Ho'okipa Beach is a famous spot for windsurfing, and if you visit during the winter months, you can watch big wave surfers and sea turtles basking on the shore. Molokini Crater. This crescent-shaped volcanic crater off the southern coast of Maui is one of the top snorkeling and diving spots in Hawaii. Its crystal-clear waters provide excellent visibility for exploring vibrant coral reefs and abundant marine life. Lahaina. This historic town was once the capital of the Hawaiian kingdom and a major whaling port. Today, it's a lively town filled with art galleries, shops, and restaurants. Don't miss the iconic Lahaina banyan tree, one of the largest in the world, or a visit to the Lahaina Historic District to learn about Maui's rich history. Aiao Valley State Park. Home to the famous Aiao Needle, this lush valley is sacred to native Hawaiians. The short hike to the Needle offers stunning views of the verdant landscape and is perfect for those looking for a peaceful retreat. Whale watching, seasonal, from December to April, Maui becomes one of the best places in the world for whale watching. Humpback whales migrate from Alaska to Hawaii to breed and give birth in the warm waters, and you can see them breaching and slapping their tails off the coast, especially around Lahaina and Maalaea Bay. 6. Cultural etiquette and tips. Hawaiian culture is deeply rooted in respect for the land, people, and traditions. Here are some tips to help you engage respectfully with Maui's local culture. Aloha spirit. Hawaiians value the aloha spirit, which emphasizes kindness, compassion, and respect. Always greet people with a friendly aloha, and don't be shy to ask questions about the local culture. People are generally happy to share. Respect nature. Whether you're hiking, snorkeling, or lounging on the beach, always respect nature by staying on marked paths, avoiding touching coral reefs, and packing out all trash. Hawaiians believe in malama aina, meaning to care for the land. Sacred sites. Some places in Maui, such as Aiao Valley and certain heiaus, ancient temples, are considered sacred. It's important to be respectful in these areas by dressing modestly, speaking softly, and avoiding climbing on monuments or rocks. Language. While English is the primary language, learning a few Hawaiian words like mahalo, thank you, and ohana, family, can show appreciation for the local culture. Tipping. Tipping in Maui is similar to the rest of the USA. 15–20% tip is expected at restaurants, and it's customary to tip hotel staff, tour guides, and taxi drivers. 7. Cuisine and dining in Maui. Maui's food scene is a delicious blend of traditional Hawaiian fare, fresh seafood, and international influences. Be sure to try some of these local dishes. Poke. A Hawaiian staple, poke is diced raw fish, usually ahi tuna, seasoned with soy sauce, sesame oil, and other fresh ingredients. You can find poke at local grocery stores, restaurants, and food trucks. Plate lunch. A hearty local favorite, the plate lunch typically includes rice, macaroni salad, and a choice of protein like kalua pork, teriyaki chicken, or loco moco, a hamburger patty with a fried egg and gravy. Shave ice. Perfect for cooling off, Hawaiian shave ice is a finely shaved ice dessert flavored with colorful syrups. For an authentic experience, try it with a scoop of ice cream or condensed milk on top. Farm-to-table dining. Maui's fertile landscape allows for incredible farm-to-table dining experiences. Restaurants like Mama's Fish House and Merriman's focus on fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Food trucks. Maui's food truck scene is thriving, offering everything from tacos and poke to Korean barbecue and local favorites. Head to spots like Ka'anapali or Kahului for a wide variety of flavors. 8. Shopping in Maui. Maui offers a range of shopping experiences, from high-end boutiques to local markets. Here are some top spots for shopping. Whalers Village, Ka'anapali. This oceanfront shopping center offers a mix of luxury brands, Hawaiian-themed shops, and casual eateries. It's a great place to shop for clothes, jewelry, and souvenirs. Lahaina Front Street. This bustling street is lined with art galleries, souvenir shops, and local boutiques. It's a perfect spot to pick up locally made products like Hawaiian jewelry, clothing, and wood carvings. Local farmers markets. Maui's farmers markets are a great way to sample local produce, homemade jams, and other artisanal goods. The Upcountry Farmers Market in Kula and the Maui Swap Meet in Kahului are popular options. 9. Health and safety tips. Maui is generally very safe, but there are a few precautions you should take to ensure a smooth trip. Ocean safety. Always swim at lifeguarded beaches, pay attention to warning signs, and be cautious of strong currents, especially if you're unfamiliar with the ocean. Never turn your back on the waves, and don't venture too far from shore if you're not a strong swimmer. Sun protection. The Hawaiian sun is intense, so wear sunscreen, reef safe, a hat, and sunglasses. Reapply sunscreen frequently, especially after swimming. Wildlife. If you're snorkeling or hiking, be mindful of wildlife. Turtles, monk seals, and other marine life are protected by law, so it's important to observe them from a safe distance. Hiking safety. Maui has many beautiful trails, but conditions can change quickly. Check the weather before heading out, and be prepared with water, snacks, and a map. Stick to marked trails and avoid hiking alone. 10. Connectivity and SIM cards. Maui has good cell phone coverage in most areas, but service may be spotty in more remote locations like Hana. If you plan to use your phone frequently, especially for navigation, consider getting a local SIM card or ensuring your plan offers adequate data while traveling. Wi-Fi is widely available in most hotels, cafes, and public places. 11. Budgeting and costs. Maui can be an expensive destination, but careful planning can help you manage costs. Accommodation, budget hotels and vacation rentals can range from $150 to $250 per night, while mid-range hotels and resorts typically cost between $250 and $450. Luxury resorts like those in Wailea or Kapalua can exceed $600 per night. Food. You can keep food costs low by dining at local food trucks and casual spots, where meals range from $10 to $20. Fine dining and resort restaurants can cost $50 or more per person. Activities. Many of Maui's natural attractions, like beaches and hikes, are free. However, tours, such as snorkeling trips or helicopter rides, can range from $75 to $300 per person. Renting equipment for activities like surfing or paddleboarding can cost around $20 to $50 per day. 12. Responsible travel. Maui is a place of immense natural beauty, and it's crucial to be a responsible traveler. Respect marine life. Coral reefs are fragile ecosystems, so avoid touching or standing on them while snorkeling or swimming. Use reef-safe sunscreen to protect the marine environment. Cultural respect. Hawaiian culture is deeply rooted in respect for the land, people, and traditions. Be mindful when visiting sacred sites and engage with the culture in a respectful and open manner. Conservation efforts. Maui emphasizes environmental sustainability, and many hotels and tours offer eco-friendly options. Participate in conservation efforts by reducing waste, conserving water, and supporting local businesses that prioritize sustainability. Maui is a paradise that offers something for everyone, from stunning natural landscapes to rich cultural experiences. Whether you're hiking through volcanic craters, lounging on pristine beaches, or learning about the island's unique history, Maui will leave you with unforgettable memories. With its laid-back atmosphere, warm aloha spirit, and endless opportunities for adventure, Maui is truly a dream destination for travelers. Safe travels. Thanks for watching. Kindly hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this. See you in the next video.